Honestly, Nigeria is a country of drama. Nigerian politics cannot, in short, even Nigerians don't understand the Nigerian politics. So I saw this news a few days ago. I looked at it, I was like, where is this one coming from and where is it going to? But I'm seeing it now again on parallel facts. Just I said, okay, let me just talk about this. So he's talking, he says Supreme Court to hear motion aimed at stopping Hope Uzodinma. This motion you are saying, you would think that is this election. No, it's talking about the election of 2019, the one that happened where Supreme Court brought in Uzodinma. The Supreme Court of Nigeria has set a date for hearing a motion that could have significant implications for future elections in Nigeria. The motion seeks to enforce an order that could disqualify the All Progressive Congress (APC) and its candidate Hope Uzodinma from participating in Imo State governorship election in 2019. You heard right, 2019. That's what they are talking about now. Something that should have been 2019. It says the People's Democratic Party (PDP) and Action People's Party (APP). I don't even think that is that Action People's Party still there, or I don't know, filed the motion seeking to give effect to the court's judgment delivered in December 2019, which disqualified Uche Nwosu from the Imo governorship election on the ground of double nomination. The apex court had found that Nwosu was nominated by both Action Alliance (AA) and All Progressive Congress (APC) and consequently nullified his nomination. I think if I remember correctly, this Uche Nwosu, what was not the one that came second, but then he was disqualified based on the fact that he had gotten alliance, he had left APC, and that was when the then former governor, who I think was his in-law, this Rocha Sokorocha, had the then outgoing one, had sort of like, when they didn't want him in APC, he now went to that AA. A political party, they said, is not capable of sponsoring two candidates for the same office in the same election. The motion was submitted. So because now, okay, that means Uche Nwosu and Hope Uzodinma, since Uche Nwosu has double nomination with APC, and then Hope Uzodinma, how come that this same party had two candidates? The motion, which was submitted in July 2020, has taken 3 years to be scheduled for hearing and is finally slated to be heard on October 31st, 2023. The motion seeks to declare that Governor Hope Uzodinma was not the candidate of the APC based on the court's judgment that Nwosu was nominated by both APC and Action Alliance. The PDP is also asking the court for an order enforcing or otherwise directing the enforcement and or giving effect to the judgment of the court in the case delivered on December 20th, 2019, wherein the court held that Nwosu was nominated by both APC and AA and consequently declared his nomination in a nullity. So, well, if both parties had nominated this Nwosu, so how come did Hope Uzodinma come in? That's what he's saying. In the event that this ruling is carried out, Governor Hope Uzodinma of Imo State will be abruptly stripped of his certificate of return as the current governor and may find it more difficult to win re-election in November due to his candidature as the APC nominee. I think the person that wrote this is not even understanding the issue. This is not even about whether he's going to win the election this November, because if he's stripped, if they say he's not, then what does that mean? That means somebody now has to tell me all these years he was just there, he was not supposed to be there. That means you now have to go, but there won't be an election in 20 November, will there? What do you think? I don't think that means that's what it will mean. There won't be an election. That the person who rightfully should have been the candidate or wherever it is will now be the one that will now have to go and start his tenure and do another 4 years. Yay! Oh, baby, cool, you know, Nigerian this thing. Ah, no, Nigerian drama. It can only it gives the Nigerian vibes. That's what it means. So it's a whole lot of drama that it's. Let's see what happens. I mean, that's a whole lot of drama. That means there will be election now. That will be. But anyway, I think they said October. Is that 31st, right? 30 days has October. Okay. October has that. I'm always missing. Is it October or November that has 30 days? So October has 31. I think it's October 31st that they wrote it. Let's see what the Supreme Court will say. It's only in Nigeria that you can imagine why did this take so long before it got to where it is right now? And even if you justice delayed, they say it's justice denied. But hey, we'll get to that place where all of these things will be history, and people will be wondering when you tell people that, oh, these things used to happen in Nigeria before, they were like, ah, Nigeria, how? We'll get there by the grace of God. Thank you. Bye.